Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Filecoin price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey this chart pattern that I have right here, which is an ascending channel, which you can see that has given us more than 3 touch points, and there are high chances that we are going to continue seeing higher prices until we see a breakout out of this chart pattern to the upper side, get a successful retest of the upper side of the channel before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now fully maximized our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 2, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $5.89 mark. And having seen the formation of that first wave and a corrective structure in this wave 2, now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you my target areas in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $6.447 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Filecoin to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of this wave 3. And you can see that at the time of this recording, we are just about to touch that minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3. So in case we continue gearing up, there are high chances that soon we are going to hit our first target area in the formation of that wave 3. And in case the break, that is the move, is so impulsive and also give us a breakout out of this channel that we are trading within, there are high chances that we are going to continue gearing up, continue seeing higher prices, and maybe get to the next area on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 2.618 at around the $7.136 mark. And in case such a move plays out, then I'll be terming the new high as the high for that wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and also giving you the long-term outlook here on the Filecoin chart, where you can see that after seeing our lower low down here at around the $2.4767 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where I have this 5-wave structure to the upside, completing that first wave. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the formation of this wave 3, which is impulsive. And because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas, where you can now see that we have peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in this wave 2, and now my primary scenario is that we are seeing the formation of this wave 3. And because of its impulsive nature, that's the reason as to why you can see I have this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3, where I'm expecting the wave 5 to give us the high for this higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 66 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.